He's tall, he's patient, he's got a tail that's already knocked over the tackle box twice. He's Melvin the Brontosaurus goes fishing. That's right, folks, in this exciting 29-minute instructional experience, Melvin teaches you everything he knows about landing the big one using a technique passed down from prehistoric times. Stand very still in the water until something happens. Melvin's patented sauropod stance means you'll never need bait, tackle, or a boat. Just 11 tons of quiet confidence in a bay that is now tragically 3 feet shallower than it was this morning. He says the key is the eyes. We assume we generally can see his eyes from here.
I am the caddy. I thought we were going golfing. I didn't know you take a caddy when you go fishing.
That's Igor, Melvin's guide, translator, and as of this taping, the only member of the crew still speaking to the insurance company. Order now. And we'll throw in Melvin's bonus segment. Melvin the Dinosaur does golf. A modest 15-minute safety briefing that the country has frankly insisted we include. Melvin the Brontosaurus goes fishing. Available now on VHS wherever tapes are sold or wherever the dock used to be.
Any bites yet, Murray? Not yet, Melvin. Whoa, I got one. It's a big one.
To order Melvin on fishing, call 1-800-90-FISH or send a check or money order of $19.95 plus $4 shipping and handling to Melvin on fishing, P.O. Box 65 Million, Front Royal, Virginia 22630.